What's good, all my SGMers, all my still getting money people out there? And before you watch this video, become part of the SGM family by subscribing, like, share, and comment, and hit that bell button below so you be notified first. And shout out to the SGM notification gang. I see you holding me down in them comments. Gang gang. And before you watch this video, like I say in every video, go follow me on our social media platforms. All the links are in the description below. Like I said, I made it way easier for y'all now, so all y'all gotta do is click the link for whatever platform, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook. It'll take you right there. Press subscribe, follow, whatever it tells you on there, and come right back to the video. It's that simple. That's one way you can support me for free. Like I said, it's that simple, so I can stay connected with y'all, because you never know with these platforms, these YouTube, or anything. You don't never know what might happen. So at least if I lose the channel or something was to happen, y'all know where to contact me. If I have to make another channel, etc. Things happen. And nowadays with this YouTube crazy stuff, you just never know. But anyways, I'm reaching 10K pretty soon. So maybe maybe the next day or so, maybe, I don't know. But like I said, I will be having a giveaway. You know what I'm saying? So y'all better be ready. This is going to determine who keeps on these post notifications, which is that bell, which is what I say in my intro. Hit that bell button below. This is going to determine that, like I said. So if y'all don't got it on now, you better have it on, because like I said, this is going to determine it, and then you're going to wish you did have it, because you're going to miss out on the prize or on the giveaway. So the best thing to do is turn your notifications on. So when I do it, right when I hit it, after that, I'm gonna be doing a lot of them. I'm just waiting for this time to come. You know what I mean? I appreciate every single one of y'all. Like I said, I got a new channel, even though it has nothing to do with money, but it's still, you know what I'm saying? If you mess with me, you'll support me on anything I do. It's like I support y'all, and I bring y'all this free information on here. But anyways, let's get into this video. All right, let me open up the iPhone real quick. Alright, this video is about an app called, let me show you. It's an app some of y'all know about, some of y'all don't. It's an app that some of y'all know about, some of y'all don't. A lot of y'all didn't take advantage of it because I posted it multiple times. It's called Dosh right here. They had promotions. They had about 3 promotions, but they was giving away $15. $15. Just for you to get somebody to put their debit card in. And that's it. Once they link their debit card, they would have got $5 for it, and you would have got 15 just to do that. You know what I mean? It's that simple. But let's get into that. I'm gonna show you how simple it is. Besides all the great stuff they have on here, being that I travel and stuff like that, I like getting cash back. So I definitely take advantage. Like I said, it's real simple. Like I said, there's a search bar right here, and there's plenty of stuff that's giving you cash back. Before, I used to just look through it if I was in a certain area because it says nearby. But like I said, all you gotta do is look. If you're in a nearby area, all of these cashback options is gonna change. So what you gotta do, if you don't see it on here, just put in a name. See if you got anything cashback to where you eat, you shopping. It's that simple. And if you're shopping online, you just go right here. And these are all the options that's giving cash back. Look, you know what I'm saying? This is all the money you could be getting back. Let's say you go on a Bed Bath & Beyond, like 7.5. Or this right here, you know what I'm saying, Invite Health, or something you was getting, you know what I'm saying, like the Body Shop. You can get cash back on it versus not getting anything back. You get what I'm saying? But you could go do it online, or you could press nearby, search up there, and then see if you get anything back for you going out with your lady or anybody, period. And here's the travel right here. Like I said, it's a travel right here. You get a 25 cash bonus for your first hotel booking. So just booking your first hotel, you get $25 off rip. And that's not on top of the cash back you're going to get for, you know what I'm saying, traveling any of these spots right now. Let's say like a hot spot like where I'm at. I live in New York. So I live in New York. Hold on 1 second, somebody. I pressed something by mistake. Somebody was texting me, and it's real expensive over here. So like I said, you might catch a deal over here. Look right here, for example. This is $143 per night. Let me focus right there. A total cash back, almost $10 right there. You know what I'm saying, that you can get back. You might not look at it as a big deal, but it does add up. Like I said, especially if you're traveling a lot. You know what I mean? But anyways, as you can see right here, your friends have received $927.17 cash back, all thanks to you. So these are all the people that, like I said, that got under the link, and you can see they've been using the app. Look how much money they're getting back. That's a total of all the people that have been using the offers. Like I said, it's not that hard, and it's common sense, man. Like I said, you want to get cash back on things. Like I said, there's plenty of times, even with another app called Ibotta, which has nothing to do with this. I used it. I forgot about it after a while. And like I said, I don't know if I made a video on it or not. I know I had got like, I think $115 back. Like I said, I forgot about it. It was $115 that I just used on vacation. I forgot what I did with it. It was a while ago. Like I said, it was just there. You know what I'm saying? I seen it and I got it instantly on top of that. But anyways, like I said, this is about this. As you can see, people getting the cash back on that. So let me move on to the next. Like I said, the next is like I said, my link right here. My link will be in the description below, as you can see right here. So you don't have to leave the video, go to Apple Store or Play Store. You simply go to the link in the description below, click it, download it, and then come back right back to the video right from there. It's that simple, and you can share with your friends, family, on social media, through text, or anything through here. It's simple. All they got to do. See, right now the invite is $5 right now, but like I said, they do have promotions where it'd be 15. One time they had it for 10. But when that $15 promotion comes, you have to take advantage of it and promote hard, like I said, because it'd be for a week or two. You know what I'm saying? It's that simple. All your person got to do is link their debit card. Once they link that, they make $5, and for every debit card after that, they get $1. But you're going to get 15 after 2 days. Just for them simply grabbing their debit card, downloading the app with your link, grabbing the debit card, going up here, see where these 3 dots is at? Going up there, going right here where it says cash, credit, whatever. This is mine right there. Once they put the numbers in, they save it. That's it. You got $15. That I don't think that's hard labor right there. But anyways, like I said, my balance right now is $41. So that I want to cash out. So you see it says $41 right here. So I'm gonna transfer the funds right there. So I'm gonna press 41. As you can see, it's 41. Transfer to bank. Or as a matter of fact, do I want to transfer to bank? No, I want to transfer to PayPal. So see how I switched it? And you know what I'm saying? Transfer to bank. See, I go like that. And it goes transfer to PayPal. That's when I wanted to send to my PayPal. So y'all can see it there. Transfer. As you can see right there. Would you like to transfer the 41 to your PayPal email? Yes, confirm transfer. Funds withdrew. So transfer in progress. Progress can take the 3 to 5 business days. Hold on. It's 3 to 5 business days to your PayPal. So this one's gonna take 3 to 5 business days, which it did take around that time. Last time I cashed out. So we're gonna close it out right here. So I probably got an email or whatever. But anyways, like I said, once the payment hits, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. As you can see right there, service PayPal.com. You have received a payment from PayPal right there. So let's go right into it. As you can see, Dodge Holdings Inc. has sent you $41. As you can see, you go to transaction ID right there, March 28th. Again, money received. Let me show you it's March 28th. Let me open this phone. Come on. Hold on 1 second. See, March 28th right there. Wednesday, March 28th. Now, for further proof, you've been following me forever. You know what I'm saying? If you're a newbie, pay attention. This is what I do consistently. There go PayPal right there. I was going to ask to borrow my finger because being this is an iPhone. You know what I mean? So, wait till that opens up. There you go right there. Got my finger right there, as you can see. Where is that? See activity. Cha-ching! And there it is. $41 from Dodge Holdings Inc. As you can see right there, cash proof. So with that being said, I just realized I hit 10K. I was waiting to hit 10K so I could do some giveaways. Like I said, from now on, I'm going to be doing a bunch of giveaways. This is where the post notification is going to come into effect. I'm going to be randomly just doing giveaways. It could be sneakers, it could be money, it could be whatever. Like I said, but right now for the first one, being I hit 10K, I got a $50 giveaway. I was going to pick one person. Then I thought about dividing it into 2 people. But being that I just hit it, I said, you know what? I'm just going to divide it into 5. So, like I said, I can at least give 10 to each people. At least to 5 people to start, so I could give more than more than one person. You know what I mean? It makes more sense. And the next one, I just do a bigger one. But anyways, this is all you have to do to be entered. Like I said, because I went to the Dwayne Reed. I don't know if y'all have that, whatever state y'all live in. I went to Dwayne Reed. They ain't have no PayPal gift cards or whatever, something I could post on here. So this is what I'm gonna do. All you have to do, right, is go to my new vlogging channel. It's called SkinzDiorTV. You're gonna see it on the screen. Once you get to that channel, all you have to do to the last video that I posted, you go on there, you subscribe to the channel first. I don't know how I skipped that. Let's rewind that. You go to the channel, you subscribe, you go to the last video, you know what I mean? You press like. Then you press that bell button so you be notified first, and then you comment hashtag SGM. I'm gonna run that by you again. When you go to the channel, I'm gonna leave the link in the description, and I'm gonna pin it on the comments. Once you click the link to SkinzDiorTV, you're gonna go subscribe. That's one. When you go to the last video that I posted, you're gonna like the video. You're gonna press the bell notification. And you're gonna hashtag. So I know you came from SgmCashoutKing channel. You know what I mean? So that's all you gotta do. Those things right there, and I'm gonna go through it, and I'm gonna pick 5 people, and then once I pick you, like I said, I'm gonna ask you your PayPal email. I'm gonna email it to y'all. You know what I'm saying? And then and that's it. I'm giving y'all money just to do that. All you gotta do is subscribe, like, hit the bell button, and then what was the last thing? Hashtag SGM. That's it. And like I said, I'm gonna pick 5 people, send you the money. Like I said, and after that, I'm gonna video it so y'all people know that I'm not lying about it. Cause like I said, I don't play that. Like I said, I'm gonna video me sending the money. I'm gonna video the email from me, and then I'm gonna video me copying and pasting the email to my PayPal and me sending it where I can't get it back. So y'all know it's real, and I'm gonna be doing this a lot. Like I said, it's a brand new channel. So, like I said, I don't know how many subscribers I got. This brand new, maybe like 15, 20, I don't know, something like that. But once it hit 100, I'm gonna do another one. I'm gonna keep doing it like that, just randomly. And I'm not gonna do the giveaway on that channel. I'm gonna do the giveaway on my SgmCashoutKing channel. So, like I said, all you gotta do is do the things on that channel. And like I said, and I'm gonna announce everything over here in this channel. Like I said, I'm gonna be doing that a lot now that I hit 10K. So y'all better be ready. Y'all better put on the post notifications. And like I said, go subscribe to my other channel. Once I hit 100, it could be 100 today. Guess what? Tomorrow I'm gonna do another one, and I'm gonna keep doing it. Like I said, every time I hit 100. So like I said, let's get this going. Y'all the family, like I said, you know what I'm saying? Y'all support me. So like I said, I'm gonna look out for y'all too. You know what I mean? But like I said, the link will be in the description below for the Dodge app, and the link will be in the description below for my new channel, my new vlogging channel. Like I said, and I'm also pinning on the comments. So like I said, get on it so you can be one of the people, one of the winners on there. So like I said, SgmCashoutKing is signing out. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe, become part of the SGM fam, become part of the SGM fam, become part of the SGM fam.
Yeah, I'm